Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. I think it's lesson number 6. So this is what we've created so far. So if you've done this so far, I'm really proud of you. It's time to wrap this thing up. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create the coasting wheel of the robot. Once again, I modeled this coasting wheel based on what I have. So the dimensions are not going to be exactly the same as mine. But that shouldn't be a problem. You can get the wheel anywhere, build it, any construction or building, warehouse or store should have a coasting wheel. So I'm also going to release the project files. If you're following the project from the course, you will be able to see extensively all the detail, and you'll have access to all the CAD models. Let's continue with our modeling here. All right. Before we create this wheelbase, I just want to show you how to create a sub-assembly within an assembly. So as you can see, this is the top level assembly, but we can also add, and all these are components, but we can also add another sub-assembly inside of this assembly. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to create it as if we're creating a component, and we're going to call this coasting wheel base sub. Let's just put an underscore here. All right, so this is the coasting wheel base sub assembly, and inside of this I'm gonna click here, right click, and I'm gonna create a component, and you can see now we have a component inside of this. So if we hide this, and this has changed from being a component to being an assembly. So I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to call it coasting base. And then from that, I'm going to go ahead and create my sketch. Create my sketch here. Construction mode, just like before. Let's make this 8. All right, that looks better. Create a construction line between these two.
And I'm going to create lines.
Now I'm going to add my constraint because I want these lines to be tangent. I'm going to select this tangent constraint. So I want this line to be tangent to that circle. I want this line to be tangent here. And I want this one to be tangent here. Now I'm going to create solid lines of this arc, toolbox, arc, center point arc from this point here.
Now I forgot to make this tangent. So this line has to be tangent here. No, that's not what we want. Alright, now we're going to extrude this. We're going to extrude this 1 millimeter out. And there we have it. Let's add a circle in the middle.
All right. Then we're gonna sketch another feature here.
And extrude this to about 10.
All right, now we're going to switch on the origin of this base. And then now we are going to sketch from that plane. Create sketch in this plane. So now I'm going to show you how to create a revolute feature. Okay, and now we're going to create the wheel, the ball, and to do that we're going to create new component. I'm going to sketch on the same plane. I'm going to create an arc. And boom, we have our coasting wheel. So if we click here. Alright guys, it looks like our robot is complete. So that wraps it up for this lesson. So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to actually add some fasteners. So we're going to add some screws here and add some screws there and then some screws there to keep the motors in place. So yeah, looks like we're making progress, guys.